জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Grab this, please. I saw you before, but I didn't call you. You know why? Because I wanted to see which flower you'll choose for Jasmine. And you know, that's really great of you. Whether she's your wife or girlfriend, it's a very good thing to buy flowers for her. I also used to do that for my wife. I used to buy Sudha's favorite flowers for her often. She used to love flowers. And today is her death anniversary. So I am here to buy her favorite flowers. Anyway, forget that. Where is Jasmine? She must be in the car. Am I right? So, where is your car? Why has Dripto come out with this girl? Why? Come on, have some sweets.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Here, you also take it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
And
you.
listen, distribute it to everyone, okay?
ওকে স্যার।
Grandma, Rangna, where are you all? Here, Rangna. Here, have some sweets.
Why are you distributing sweets?
The wedding date is fixed. Wedding date.
Is the wedding date fixed?
Yes.
Who's yours?
Why would it be my wedding? Why do you talk nonsense all the time? Dripto's wedding is fixed. Here, have some sweets.
Really? Looking at your joy, it seems as if you are getting married.
Don't act too smart, Rangana. Did you see how I didn't let Deepu and Nayan's marriage last? Who knows if the same will happen to Piku or not? Sanjukta, what's the matter? Are you starting a tradition that the men of this family would marry twice? That's funny, Mom. I didn't start any tradition. The ritual already exists in the family. Your elder son got married twice, your younger son married twice. Think about it. When is the wedding? The day after tomorrow. What? The day after tomorrow? Yes, Mom. What are you saying, Sanjukta? You announced at the party that the wedding would take place after 1 week. What happened now? That you're saying the wedding is day after tomorrow? No way, that's not possible. Moreover, listen. Did you forget that my son Topo is Deepu's father? How can a father not be present at his son's wedding? Let me make it clear, Sanjukta. I won't let them get married until Topo arrives. I cannot do that, Mom. The day after tomorrow is an auspicious day. The next date is far away. I can't halt Deepu's wedding for your son to come back from his business trip. I'm sorry. In fact, I want that too. I want Deepu and Jasmine to get married without any hindrances before Tapo brother returns.
I have returned, Sanjukta.
Father?
I seem to have heard that you have fixed Deepu's wedding date. Who is that girl? When is the wedding?
Oh Lord, why did Topo have to come now? Hey, you're back. You. Why didn't you inform me before coming? please come inside. Why are you standing there? Come on, have a seat.
You are in trouble as I didn't inform you before coming, aren't you, Sanjukta?
You started talking in sarcastic tone the moment you entered. Why would that be trouble? Deepu wouldn't get married without informing you. I would have definitely informed you.
What would you have informed? That you have fixed Deepu's wedding date, right? But let me tell you, Sanjukta, Deepu is my son too. Therefore, Sanjukta, alone your decision is not final in this case. So you can't get him married until and unless I agree, Sanjukta.
I'm in pain, Nayan. I'm in pain. I wanted a home too, but they didn't let me have one. They didn't let me be happy. They didn't let me live.
Why did Sudha say that? Who didn't let her live? Who was she talking about? Who?
He comes here once every year to buy these flowers. Earlier, he was a regular customer of these orchids. He used to buy flowers from me for his wife. He used to buy the same orchids. No matter what people say, this is a unique flower. Yes, no flower can compete with these. They are really the best.
The brother and the sister love the same flower. What's so special about that flower?
Well, I'll make a move then.
Yeah, sure. Have a safe drive.
Thank you.
Why? Why the same flower?
Jasmine's brother has come from Delhi to attend the wedding. You can't come out of the blue and cancel the wedding. Answer me, why are you quiet? Tapa brother, don't go anywhere, answer me.
Wow, Sanjukta, you are waiting for my opinion now? But you have fixed everything earlier, the wedding date and all. What did you think? That you would get it done before I returned, right, Sanjukta? Tell me.
Father, you're absolutely right, you know. Mother has become obsessed with the wedding. She just said that she would get Piku remarried.
Don't worry, Rangana. Sanjukta won't be able to do a lot of things which she planned to do.
What do you mean? I want to get my elder son married. I didn't commit any crime.
No, not at all. There's no problem as such. You are a mom. You can very well get your son married. But do you know what the problem is? According to the will, my elder son's wife will be the owner of my entire property. Therefore, I will decide who my elder son's wife will be. Let me see whom you have selected for Deepu. Then only I'll decide whether she is capable enough to be my daughter-in-law.
What if you like Jasmine then? I hope you won't postpone the wedding date.
No.
Grandma, mark my words, Grandma. Father loves my friend a lot. When he meets Chowmin, he will reject her right away, I'm sure, Grandma. I hope this happens. Hey, Lord, help us.
How are you, my child? You've worn this sari as well.
How could I not? You are like a father to me. How can a daughter refuse something given by her father, officer?
Do you know for whom I bought this sari? For my Sudha. I wanted to gift it to her on festival, but I didn't get the chance. Sudha left me. I could not see her happy for a long, long time. My child. How are you, my child? Are you happy?
I got late as I was parking my car. How are you, sir?
You are here, my child. I can't believe you are here, my child. Trust me, I'm really happy to see you and together. I really can't express how much happy I am to see you here. You come in. Come in.
Her face looks familiar. Why is she looking so familiar?
I was married. I used to love her a lot. But she is no more.
They didn't let me be happy. They didn't let me live.
I used to buy Sudha's favorite flower for her often. She used to love flowers.
They didn't let me live.
Why can't I remember? Where did I see her photo? Nayan? Nayan, this photo. Nayan? Where is Nayan?
Nayan, Dipto has come with you. That means your relationship has become normal now. That means you're like a normal husband and
Forget
wife.
about me, officer. You don't need to think about us now.
Meaning? What are you saying, Nayan? I can't tell you how happy I am to see you together. You can't even imagine.
I know, officer. First, tell me what kind of person your son-in-law Jayanta is.
How do you know Jayanta?
Oh no. I won't be at peace until I remember where I've seen her. Oh, I see. That means Mr. Karmakar's daughter Sudha is Jayanta's wife.
You? You have also come here. I mean, do you know my father-in-law?
Jayanta is a wonderful boy, you know. Sudha is no more. But still, he calls me regularly. He checks on me. He performs all his duties. Wait for a while. You see, he'll be here. I know he'll be here. I know.
Dad,
Let it be, let it be. I knew you would come. Nayan? You come here, come to me. Come here. Didn't I tell you that Jayanta would definitely come? He is Jayanta. And Jayanta, she is Nayan. My another daughter.
yes, Dad. Dripta told me about her.
Is he really a good person? Then why did Sudha say that they didn't let her live?